Guacarí Shopping Center. This place in Sincelejo, Sucre. It is very pleasant place full of many buzzing like clothing stores, restaurant, a cinema, even hall, doctor office, and a gym. People can do many these in the same place and or really like them. I chosen this place because it represents fun and convenience in my city. I like it because I can do many these things there. Right now, people are shopping and are enjoy movies and the cinema. I have visited this shopping center many times and I'll always enjoy my time here.